What went wrong?
We lost. That's it. We lost the ball in the zone where we cannot lose the ball, and they played a good counter attack. That's it. Yes, of course, there is a whole game waiting for us. Okay, it's not a good result that we lose 1-0 at home, but I think if we see the way we played in the second half, I think there are chances for us.
Do you think that the absences you had were crucial in this game?
Not crucial because we have a lot different good players, so I don't think this. Okay, they are good players, but it's not only them who are carrying it. So.
Now you go to Belgium. Do you have possibilities? How are the possibilities now?
We have to win. That's it.
How do you believe Apoel can win Anderlecht in Belgium?
Like we went through all the other games. If you can win against Bilbao 2-0 at home, you can win Anderlecht away as well. So we have to believe in it, and we have to go 100% for it. Not like today, where we didn't play our best game, but still we had the best chances.
Before this away match, you have to begin the playoffs and the championship. Is it easy for you to change the chip and think about the championship?
We have to play for Apoel, to be in the highest level. This is what is asking from us, what they ask from us, and now it's Sunday waiting for us.
Can you tell us about the atmosphere today, the fans?
I think this was the best thing of the night. I've never seen the stadium so full. It was totally sold out. I think this was the best thing of the night, the fans.
Boy, do you want to stay at Apoel after the summer?
We'll see. My contract is finishing end of this season, and we'll see what happens.
Did you have some talks?
Nothing official yet. I know that Apoel is happy with me. I'm happy with the fact that I'm playing here, with the life, with everything. So we're in a good way to maybe to create something more, but there is nothing official yet. And as soon as there is something official, we'll hear it.